Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we disable find my device in our realme phone. Guys, you want to disable your find my device setting. So how can you disable in this video friends? I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to disable find my device, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting in your realme phone. So friends, click on guys your password and security setting, and guys you can see your system security setting. Guys, tap here and guys click on your find my device setting, means find my mobile setting. Guys, you want to disable, guys you can disable from this right side. You can see this icon, guys tap here. Guys, find my disable will off, means disable in your realme phone. Then guys you cannot use your find my mobile setting in your realme phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel, and guys sorry for this sound guys. I am really sorry friends, ignore this sound, and guys only focus on video. Bye friends.